Today, the S&P 500 futures are down a third straight day. The market is being weighed down by continued losses in big names like Nvidia and Oracle. Nvidia fell nearly 1% in pre-market trading. Oracle slid down 2%. A big concern for investors right now is whether the artificial intelligence trade is becoming too crowded and too risky, especially with valuations running near record high. Micron Technology also joined the decline, pulling the major averages lower. Now, what everyone is waiting on is the weekly jobless claim reports. That data will show us more about the state of the labor market. Investors are also keeping a close eye on two things: Friday's inflation data from the PCE index and the risk of potential government shutdown. Congress is out of session right now. If that happens, it could mean federal layoffs and reduced government spending. And Intel made headlines after reports of possible investment talks with Apple, which helped push its stock in after-hours trading. So to sum it up, markets are under pressure with futures down, big tech names sliding, uncertainty over jobs data, and government shutdown. But there are also bullish calls on companies like Nvidia, Chewy, and Intel that could shape investor sentiment in the days ahead. Now let's take a look at some key stocks and cryptos you need to invest these next 3 months to break free from living check to check and free up debt. First we have on the list is Bitcoin. Bitcoin is currently sitting at 109,000, and we're currently sitting at a great spot as Bitcoin the previous few weeks were at 124,000, and we now have Bitcoin in an area that if we buy Bitcoin between this $100,000 to $115,000 range, when Bitcoin shoots up to 160,000 later this year, which we only have 3 months left, and we have one more rate cut, this is gonna make this cryptocurrency meet all-time highs. Next one we have on the list is Ethereum. We see Ethereum is currently sitting at 3,800. Ethereum is sitting at a great price for you to start reinvesting, as Ethereum is gonna hit $10,000 in 2026. Next one we have on the list is Advanced Micro Device. AMD is one of the main AI stocks that the government is focused on. This one is rival with Nvidia, and this stock is at a great price. It's down $25 from its previous high, and we have AMD in this nice correction. We're sitting with an AMD call for October 2024 with a strike price of $165, and it currently is worth $683. We're only down $182. We got this one a little earlier the better. And guys, you know, if you want to be successful an investor in the market, you're gonna know how to learn how to rotate sectors, knowing which season is whenever AI is booming, oil is booming, retail, or whenever healthcare is booming. Right now we have United Health is a stock that's been having a beat up year. Stock is down 51% and it's down $321 from its all-time high. And ever since the Trump tariffs, it's already been getting backlash, and the stock has been having scandals of fraud. But the company is having a huge turnaround. We've seen Warren Buffett put $1 billion in this company, and we're going to continue pushing to price target $600 in 2026, guys. This is one you want a dollar cost averaging. That's because you get dividends and you get profit from the stock going up. Make sure you guys are being due diligent on your investments and appreciating everything you get in the markets. Make money, but you also know how to budget, okay? These things all play a good factor. It's not always about you making money. 99% of it is just knowing how to keep it. Go to South Academics, cop the latest tee. We got the latest Yahweh merch. Nothing would be possible without Yahweh and God, guys. So I love you guys. Thanks for all the support. We out.